Hello, good evening. Thank you so much for coming back on my YouTube channel, my beautiful subscribers and viewers. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for watching my YouTube videos and coming on my channel. I welcome you onto this platform, and I would say I'm not going to disappoint you for anything. If you are interested in moving to the UK, this is the place for you to get all the information about the UK life of a nurse or any other professional. All right, so today video my name is Saima. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Saima. I'm a nurse currently working in the UK, and I try to help nurses who are aspiring to come to the UK. And my aim is to spread information about the process, about how to pass Osce English test or CBT exams. Okay, so if you are interested, watch the video till the end, and then if you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friends. So today video we are going to talk about when you're moving to the UK or moving abroad, what are the things you need to pack or not to pack. So if you're interested in this topic, please watch the video till the end without skipping. And first of all, we're going to talk about what to pack. So first and foremost thing you need to pack is your documents, isn't it? The documents are very, very, very important. And then don't put them in the luggage bag, put them in your handbag, because if something happens to your luggage, you're gonna lose them, and it's gonna be way too difficult, very, very difficult to get all the documents back, isn't it, if you lose your luggage. And I would suggest put them in your handbag, so at least your handbag is with you. Okay, and your documents. The second thing is your clothes. I would say not to pack too many clothes. And I remember when I came, I did a lot of shopping. I bought too many shirts, jeans and all those things, and then there are jeans and shirts which I never wore. They are still there in my cabinet hanging around. So I would suggest not to purchase, not to buy too many clothes, because when you come here, the weather and your way of living, everything is totally different. So instead of wasting money, you can spend that money here. When you come here, you need clothes, you can buy them. There are cheap clothes here, and then according to the weather as well, you can get all the clothes here. I remember I bought I got 10 jeans and 12 shirts, something like that, and then I still have them in my cabinet. And few of them I was wearing, but not all, because when I came here, I used to I bought pajamas, and those are the ones only I'm wearing, not jeans or shirts. So I would say not to buy too many clothes. And also the jackets, you have to, if you're coming in the winter, just get one jacket, one is enough. I bought one leather jacket, I bought one another jacket which doesn't fit me anymore. I bought 3 jackets, but I used the most was one leather jacket. So I would suggest just get a good one very good one jacket, and then a little bit loose size, so at least it will fit you for good time. Okay, and 2 of them I'm not using them at all, so I would suggest just get one, and that's it. One jacket is enough. If you are coming in summer, you don't need to buy that also. You don't even need one jacket. And so I would say the weather here in the UK is unpredictable. Anytime it can rain, so just get your umbrella, one jacket. And if you're coming in summer, you don't need to put it on, just put it in your luggage. If you need it, you can use it. In summer also, in summer it's very hot, guys, honestly. Same like in Pakistan or India, so you don't need that jacket if you're coming in summer. But if you're coming in nowadays in this weather, it's cold already here, so you need a jacket. Okay, and an umbrella, as I said. The second thing I would say, if you're coming from India or Pakistan, your spices, to get some we use most of the time zira or cumin seeds is zira, isn't it? Cloves, darchini, things like that. You can buy some and take them with you, because spices here can be quite expensive, and but you can get them, but the taste is a bit different. It feels like you're not adding any spices, even though you use the spices from here. The taste is totally, I would not say it's totally different, but it is different. Okay, so if you want to, you can get some spices in the beginning, bring them with you, and also, if you're going to stay in the hospital accommodation, in the beginning I would say you can get some noodles or things like that, just to, you know, for instant cooking. And because in the hospital accommodation also, they don't give you food, they give you accommodation to live. They give you kitchen, crockery and everything, but not the food. So you will bring your food and cook by yourself. So if you don't know how to cook, or if it's something you're not interested in, it's good for you to bring some noodles or Maggie or whatever dry things you can bring. Some people, they like dahi bale, or anything that you are interested in, or you can keep, not the frozen ones. If you want to bring the frozen items, it's totally up to you, but there is a chance of leaking water in your stuff, in your luggage, so I would not suggest that one. But the dry items like nimco biscuits, for the initial 1 or 2 days you can get some, or noodles, because even you don't know cooking, but you need to know when you're here. So there's no point of bringing too many things of food items as well. Okay. Sorry. And the second thing I would talk about is third thing. So jacket, clothes, jacket, umbrella, food items. Fifth thing is about the shoes. Shoes, you don't need to buy too many shoes. Honestly guys, shoes are very good here, they are cheap as well, so you don't need to bring too many shoes. I remember I got five shoes, and then I only used 2 of them. 3 of them are still there in my bag. Okay, so, and then later on you will just throw them or give it to someone else, because my jeans, they don't fit me anymore, my shirts, they don't fit me anymore, so it's just waste of time. So my shoes, I think I think if you don't want to bring one, just bring 2, and one for work and one for home, and then later on when you are here you can get new ones. Totally up to you. All right, and then the next thing I'm going to talk about is for Indian or Pakistanis, is bring your pan to make roti, tawa to make roti, because I bought 3 or 4 tawas already online. They're no good, not good at all, and sometimes I'm burning my hand. See my arm here, if you can see, with the frying pan. If I make roti on the frying pan, sometimes I can touch my arm on the side. So just bring your tawa, your own tawa. If you are like me, like to eat roti or paratha in the morning or in the evening, just bring your tawa with you. And also teapot, if you take, of course, if you're Pakistani or Indian, I think you will take tea, so your teapot also, bring your teapot with you. And tea bag also, if you want to bring some, you can bring some for the beginning. And also what I was going to say about, to make rotis, you need your what do you call it, you need your rolling pin and your pan. That's very, very important, because for some people it's very sorry, very hard to make rotis without the rolling pin. So remember, you need to bring your own things with you, which you cannot buy from here. And these are the things only, I think. You should get it from there before coming, because in the beginning it's gonna be a trouble for you. When I came here in Portsmouth, I couldn't find the wheat flour. I was looking for it everywhere, and then for 3 days I did not eat any roti. So I felt really bad. I was like, oh my goodness, I cannot eat roti. I cannot. What am I going to do? So I was just eating bread and rice. So was not enough for me at all, because we are used to eat paratha or roti in the morning and in the evening also. I don't eat rice too much. I eat rice mostly in the afternoon, but not in the morning or evening. So that was something I struggled with for 3 days. And then I went to a big supermarket in city center. There I found the wheat flour. Well, it's from an Indian store and I still get it. It's from Tesco, but from Indian company, so I still get it from there. But nearby, I don't have any shop where I can find the wheat flour, so I have to go to city center each time I need wheat flour. So that was a bit difficult for me. And also the veggies, I'm tired of them really. You can only find eggplant, okra, carrots, capsicum, bell peppers, and that's it, or cauliflower. So you're gonna miss your methi, mungre, saag, things like that. Just additional information. All right, so these are the things we talked about that you should bring with you. And what not to bring is like oils or big bottles of perfumes or shampoos, because if something leaks, it's gonna be a big trouble for you. It's gonna make a mess in your luggage bag. It will not be a good idea to bring the loads of liquid. No need to bring any oil, because I know a lot of people use oil for hair, mustard oil for hair, and some other oils. So it's gonna be hard for you to find mustard oil, sarson ka tel for your hair. But if you want to bring it in a tiny bottle, not big ones, because if it leaks, it's gonna be a big trouble for you. And then also big bottles of shampoo or perfumes. You can buy everything here, guys. So no need. That's why I say that you don't need to stress yourself with too much shopping, honestly. And then the seventh or eighth thing I would say is buy good pairs of socks. The socks that I've seen here, they are all polyester made. I cannot find any cotton made. And then if you find the cotton ones, they are way too expensive. All right, so if you want to get something from there, get good socks, loads of them, cotton socks. And that's it, honestly. Not too many things. Clothes, shoes, jacket, umbrella. Umbrella is very, very important because it can rain anytime. And your pots for your tea, and your rolling pin, and for tawa for your roti. So these are the only things are important for you. And no, I would say not to bring any frozen items or any items which can make a mess in your luggage bag, honestly. And that's it, guys. If this video was helpful, let me know in the comment section. Give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends who are coming to the UK, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, much love, God bless, bye bye.